Hey guys, it's me again. I didn't really have an idea for a video, so I decided to do something a little different today. Sorry, I got the hiccups. Sorry. Well, anyway, in my last video, You've Been Naughty, I went on a fake cussing spree at the end. Fuck. It. Stupid hiccups. Anyway, since the fake cussing part seemed to be so popular, I decided to do that again. Oh. Okay. Well, first of all, I'm going to go back to the original cussing spree. I'm a pepperoni yacht unicorn. Ah! It's getting really annoying. I should stop it. Hiccups. Stupid hiccups. Okay, well, before these hiccups completely take over my life, I'm just gonna turn the camera off. See you on my next video. Out.